Namaskara. We welcome you at AJ Hospital. We appreciate your decision in choosing us for your healthcare needs. We will take utmost care when you are there under our care. So, we would like to explain certain protocol to be followed by you and the measure we take for your safety. These guidelines are given by the government and needs to be followed strictly. Kindly go through the presentation carefully.
A very good morning to you all. I am Dr. EVS Mabin. I am a physician working at AJ Hospital, Mangalore. As we all know, we are living in the times of anxiety and apprehension. Corona is there around. At the same time, we also have some other diseases which are not corona. But at the same time, there is a misconception about the hospital visits by the patients. So I just wanted to brief you, like there is no need to worry at all to come to the hospital. Especially in our hospital, we follow a strict protocol advised by the governing bodies. When you enter the hospital, there is a screening area. So there are people sitting there with all the protective equipments, and then they will ask you some questions, and you have to answer to that questions sincerely, because that is very important. If you are traveled to some places or you are coming from some places which have more number of cases, or the red zone or the orange zone we call it, and also the contact histories. So whenever we see the patients, we take utmost precautions. As a physician, whenever I go near the patient, I use three important things. One is the N95 mask, then the shield which we put on, and then the gloves which we change after every patient's examination. And we also use the disinfectant now and then. And once we see the patient, we completely change the gloves and the bed sheets, the plastic covers which we put on the examination table. The most important fear of the patient to visit the hospital is whether they will be quarantined, or whenever the patient comes, if there is a little fever or something, whether they will be straight away admitted to the isolation ward. No, this will not happen. After all these precautionary measures, we examine the patients, and if they have no other symptoms or no other problems of corona, we treat them accordingly. But if we suspect a COVID disease, if it is a very serious problem, we will shift them to the COVID hospital according to the protocol. Otherwise, we will admit them in an isolation ward. There are certain protocols for that. And then a separate personnel, the staff nurses and the doctors wearing the personal protective equipments, they will examine and do the necessary things. So there is no contact between the regular outpatients and the patients in the isolation ward. This point I just want to make it very clear. So you don't have to worry at all, and don't have to suspect about the safety issues when you come to the hospital. For us, your health is also very important, and also our health and the health of our colleagues. So that is the reason why in AJ Hospital we follow a very strict, stringent protocols. It may be a little inconvenience to you, but it is very important. As a responsible citizens, we have to do this.
Help us to take care of yourself. Please cooperate with us, and we wish you a pleasant stay at our hospital.